Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2012 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja. This bike has just under 8,900 miles on it and is in near mint condition. The only reason why I call it near mint is it's got a couple of little scuffs and little scratches on it, but they're pretty minor and they're pretty difficult to see. This bike is all stock and just waiting for customization. So let's take a walk around it and I'll show you what I've seen and then we will fire it up. This bike will be getting a new front tire. Bar ends, levers all look good. They don't show any signs that, like I said, it's either been rubbed against the wall, tipped over, set down, anything like that. Got a couple of, like I said, a couple of minor imperfections. Got a little scratch there, a couple of little scuffs along it. A little scuff here on the tail. You know, typical boot marks. So this bike will be getting a back tire as well. So, got a few scuffs up here on top of the tank too. Kind of see them, they're real light. I don't know, maybe somebody had a tank pad or a tank bag, maybe one of those magnetic tank bags. Never really seen them scratch the tank like that before, I guess, unless they were using it on a dirty tank. This bike would make a great introduction into the 600cc class for any rider. 8841 is what's on it. This ZX6R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, any of the accessories you want for it. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.